Kapag ang training ay malinaw ang structure, relevant ang lessons, at ramdam mo ang professionalism ng mga trainers, nagiging sulit talaga ang bawat oras at effort. Ito ang ibinahagi ng isa nating participant. CPD-CFT Training Center PH is an excellent institution for professional growth and skills development. The training programs are well-structured, practical, and up-to-date, providing valuable knowledge and effective learning experiences. The trainers demonstrate professionalism, expertise, and genuine commitment to trainee success. I highly recommend CPD-CFT Training Center PH to individuals seeking quality and reliable training. Thank you so much CPD-CFT Training Center PH. Maraming salamat sa ganitong klaseng feedback. Nakaka-inspire marinig na ang trainings ay hindi lang informative, kundi talagang nakakatulong sa real professional growth at skills development. Sa CPD-CFT Training Center PH, patuloy kaming committed sa pagbibigay ng quality, relevant at reliable trainings guided by expert trainers para matulungan ang bawat trainee na umunlad ng may kumpiyansa at malinaw na direksyon sa kanilang career.